Hello students, let's do question number 5 of exercise 2.1. It is given, find the perimeter of triangle ABE. So here we are given a figure. In this we are to find the parameter of triangle ABE. The rectangle BCDE. So this rectangle we have to find out its parameter also, and also we have to find out that whose perimeter is greater. So let's write the solution. First we will find out the perimeter of triangle. First part answer, perimeter of triangle ABE. So what is perimeter of triangle? How will we find out? For that we will find sum of all sides. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. So here we are given side 5 by 2 centimeter plus 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter plus 3 and 3 by 5 centimeter. So we will find out perimeter by adding all sides of the triangle. Now here two sides are given in mixed fraction. So let's convert first into improper fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5 centimeter. Now we will find out LCM of the denominators. So here we will find out 2, 4 and 5. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. First it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Keep 5 same. Then again it will be divisible by 2. Now it will be divisible by 5. So here LCM we have got, that is 2 into 2 into 5, 20. Now we will make all these fractions equivalent to fraction with the denominator 20. For that we will multiply 5 by 2 with the 10, 11 by 4 with 5, 18 by 5 with 4. Now it comes equal to 50 upon 20 plus 55 upon 20 plus 72 upon 20. Now we'll write common denominator 20. It will be equal to 50 plus 55 plus 72, that is equal to 177 upon 20. So we have got the sum equal to 177 upon 20. Now we will convert it into the mixed fraction. For that we will divide 177 by 20. It will be equal to 8 and 17 upon 20 centimeter. Okay, now we will find out perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE. For that we will use a formula 2 into length plus breadth. So here length is 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter and breadth is 7 by 6 centimeter. 2 and 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6 centimeter. First we will convert 2 and 3 by 4 into improper fraction. 2 4 the 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Now we will find out LCM of 4 and 6. So here is LCM of 4 and 6. First we will divide with the 2. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, then again by 2, then by 3. So we got the LCM here. 2 into 2, 4, 4 3 the 12. Now we will make the denominator of these fractions equal to 12. For that we will multiply 11 by 4 with 3 and 7 by 6 with 2. 6 to the 12, 4 3 the 12. So we will get 2 multiply 33 upon 12 plus 7 to the 14 upon 12. Now we will add it. 2 multiply 33 plus 14 upon common denominator, that is 12. So it will be equal to 2 multiply 47 upon 12. We can cancel now. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So we will have equal to 47 upon 6 centimeter. And in mixed fraction it is equal to 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. Now we are to give the answer whose perimeter is greater. So here we have got the perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 8 and 17 upon 20. And rectangle's perimeter is 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. So here we are to find out that which one is greater, 8 and 17 upon 20 or 7 and 5 by 6 centimeter. So clearly here whole number is 8 and here whole number is 7. So that means this fraction will be greater. 8 and 17 upon 20 will be greater than 7 and 5 by 6. So it means we will say that perimeter of triangle is greater. So this was the solution of question number 5.